Hi, I'm Bob from BK's Fishing Charters. I've been doing these charters since 1986 and I still love them. We do 2 trips most days, weather permitting. The first trip being from 6 AM to 11 AM, the second trip being from 11:15 to 4:15. Our main guests through the week are tourists. We love the tourists, they're a happy clientele. The first timers love the way we run our trips. We explain all the techniques, we give you all the tips you need through the trip. On weekends we tend to take our local clientele, and the locals tend to book a few weeks in advance, even months in advance. Our target fish, well at the moment we're targeting the pelagics because we're still in what we call the summer season of fish. The surface type fish, that's your mackerels and some tuna. Our winter targets are cobia and tuna and snapper. I've been doing these trips for 30 years, proudly taking people fishing for 30 years. I love it out here. I love being out with the wide horizons, the blue ocean, the beautiful sunsets. The main thing I do it for is your smiles. I love the smiles on the people, on the guests when they're catching fish.